come a long way from the old neighborhood, Princess.
We really have. The studio is just the beginning.
Welcome back, family. Tonight, the OGs are reading Proverbs chapter 5, wisdom about temptation, loyalty, and protecting your life.
My child, be attentive to my wisdom. Incline your ear to my understanding.
For the lips of a loose woman drip honey, and her speech is smoother than oil.
But in the end, she is bitter as wormwood, sharp as a two-edged sword.
Her feet go down to death, and her steps follow the path to destruction.
She does not keep straight to the path of life. Her ways wander, and she does not know it.
And now, my children, listen to me, and do not depart from the words of my mouth.
Keep your way far from her, and do not go near the door of her house.
Or you will give your honor to others, and your years to the merciless.
Strangers will take their fill of your wealth, and your labor will go to the house of an outsider.
At the end of your life, you will groan when your flesh and body are consumed.
And you will say, how I hated discipline, and my heart despised correction.
I did not listen to the voice of my teachers or incline my ear to my instructors.
And now I stand at the brink of total ruin in the assembly of the people.
Drink water from your own cistern, and flowing water from your own well.
Should your springs be scattered abroad, streams of water in the streets?
Let them be for yourself alone, and not for strangers with you.
Let your fountain be blessed, and rejoice in the wife of your youth.
A loving deer, a graceful doe. May her love satisfy you always.
Why be captivated by another woman and embrace the arms of a stranger?
For a person's ways are before the eyes of the Lord, and he examines every path. And
The wicked are trapped by their own sins and held fast by the cords of their wrongdoing.
they die for lack of discipline, and because of great folly, they are led astray.
Family, temptation always looks sweet in the beginning, but the cost can destroy your future.
Wisdom protects your heart, your family, and your destiny.
Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is protection.